Modern buildings are evolving, and movement has become more important than ever. Because the way people move impacts how a building performs.
Every day, people rely on vertical transportation systems.
To move safely.
Efficiently.
And seamlessly through modern environments.
When movement works properly, business operates more efficiently.
Communities become more accessible, and people experience buildings differently.
At Ardant Solutions, we help shape smarter mobility with our full range of vertical solutions.
Elevators.
Escalators and moving walks.
Freight and cargo lifts.
And accessibility lifts.
Let us help you find the best vertical solution for your next project. Meet us at TIC 2026.
Connect with the experts today. Click the link in our bio or scan the QR code shown.